Is your nCino document storage overflowing, driving up Salesforce costs and compliance risks? Introducing Intellective Offloading for nCino, the seamless, no-install, cloud-based solution to offload your nCino documents to any enterprise content management system of your choice. Reduce your Salesforce storage expenses while ensuring secure, scalable storage with full enterprise compliance and access to older files stored on your ECM. Need to access nCino offloaded documents? Our solution allows you to view placeholders for documents that have been moved to your ECM and in nCino in a search. This enhances customer service and relationship building through fast response times and a unified customer view while reducing loan turnaround time, directly impacting your bottom line. Ensure compliance and retention using the capabilities of your chosen ECM system. Or offload to Unity's Amazon-based cloud storage. Intellective Offloading for nCino, simplifying your document offloading and viewing process.